Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope the holiday and the new year is treating you well. Today I'll be showing you how to do the Goddess Knotless Braids. Stay tuned. I have a couple detailed knotless braids how-to videos on my channel, so feel free to check those out. Here I'm just prepping the hair with styling jam, then I'm using the comb to straighten that out to start the braid. Ensure that you hold the hair taut, then apply the first extension. Braid down, one rotation, then apply the next extension. I'll be adding 3 pieces of straight hair for the size and length that I want. If you wish to have longer or thicker hair, you just add more hair as you go along. To create the goddess look, I'll be adding curly hair to the individual braids. The pattern I'm using is water wave. You can add the curly hair at the start of the braid, or you could add it a few inches down. I decided to alternate it so everything flows nicely. I then proceeded to remove the first half of the curly hair from the braid down. With the help of the styling jam, I'm tucking the hair under the extensions for a seamless look. I then removed the second half of the curly hair and completed the braid down. Instead of waiting till I'm done to mousse the hair, I moussed each strand as I go along to maintain the neatness. You don't have to do that, but that's what I did. So there's a couple cons with this curly hair. Because it's synthetic, it tangles very easily. So what I did, I separate the hair from the pack. Then I use the mousse to reform the curls. Guys, this was a very pretty style. Tell me what you think. Thanks for rocking with me till the end. I do have a couple videos here, you can check it out. Actually, here is the detailed knotless video. Click it.